Hey, what's up, guys? So this video, I'm going to tell you how to make 100K per year at a sales job. I'll be very short. I try to be like a minute tops or so. Don't like long videos, don't like long-winded explanations. I'll cut to the chase right now. 100K in sales. How to make it. Find a legit company. Do your research online through LinkedIn, Glassdoor. Look at the reviews, read what the people are saying. Call the company, even call them maybe under different pseudonames, aliases. Just say, hey, can I speak with the sales manager? Blah, blah, blah. Call burner phones. Do whatever you have to do. Figure out how much they're actually paying. Try to figure out, find who works there on LinkedIn, message them, and see if it's legit. Or just, you can get the picture. You get what I'm talking about. Once you find a company, there's various industries you can do that. I can't really talk about my company or the industry I'm in. I don't want to get in trouble. I don't know how this works, the legality of it. I'm not a lawyer, but you'll be surprised. Some companies, solar panels, you can make 100K. Plumbing, plumbers, selling things like that, 100K. So don't be surprised. You'd be surprised. Okay, so okay, thing after that, apply, get the job, do what you have to do to win, to get that interview. Even if it's telling some things that are maybe exaggerations, things that make you look better than what you really are. Hey, baby, that's America. That's business. So you got to do what you got to do. Get that interview, and then once you get the job itself, you just put your best foot forward and make sales. Sales is awesome because if you know what you're doing and there's people that can teach you how to do it. I mean, I'm not a sales trainer, I just know how to do it, but you can make money. So that's just my advice there. 100K I made in commission last year. So it's over 100K, just overall compensation. I'm in California. It's not actually that much here, but it does pay the bills, so I'm comfortable. But if you're in some flyover state, some other place, that's actually pretty good. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. I can tell you all about it. Love to tell you more. Yeah, here we go. Thank you so much. Peace.